Welcome to our tutorial on how to sort your tasks in Gmail on your PC. If you're looking for an efficient way to organize your tasks, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. On the right side of the Gmail interface, locate and click on Tasks. This will open the Tasks panel on the right side of your screen. Step 3. At the top right corner of the Tasks panel, click on More. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, you will find the Sort By option. Click on it to display a list of sorting options. Step 5. Select the type of sorting you want for your tasks. You can choose from options like due date, priority, or alphabetical order. By following these steps, you can easily sort your tasks in Gmail on your PC. This will help you stay organized and prioritize your tasks effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.